God bless everybody. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Today's Monday, and of course, I wanted to go ahead and make sure I released art video for you guys. Um, I've been doing a lot of running around, exploring New York, exploring different areas, and gathering those videos. But I want to make sure that I'm consistent in having an art by Richie video for you guys every Monday. Today's video is special because I wanted to create uh, art piece surrounding the idea of proposing. For those of you guys that have been following and know, recently I proposed to my girlfriend, who is now my fiance. She said yes, and I wanted to do an art piece surrounding that idea. So this piece is titled um, "Proposal." I proposed. Um, I am very grateful and happy. I'm gonna go ahead and start this new journey, and I'm sure she is just as excited as I am. If you guys do want to help us out, you can always go to my website www.artbyrichie.com, and you can click on the T-shirt icon, and you can purchase anything on my online shop, and all that will go ahead and help us out in the with the wedding cost. I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Painting is one of my pastimes, one of my moments where I go ahead and just relax. It allows me to, alleviate myself from whatever stress that I'm going through, or mentally prepare myself for the week. So it's my quiet time, if you want to say that. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, don't forget to go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that way you will get notified when new videos pop up. Art by Richie videos are always coming up on Mondays at 8 o'clock. And if you want to go ahead and help support this channel as well as help support my upcoming wedding, you can go to my website, www.artbyrichy.com. You can click on the links in the description below, which would help us out a lot. We have tons of merch that's available, from t-shirts to masks to small towels, even little cups. Anything you guys decide to purchase actually will help us out with the wedding expenses, and will help us out also in the long run. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys enjoyed. God bless you. Enjoy your day.